Pixar effect with my picture. Hey guys, all good? Leonard Paiva back with another video. And in this video, I'll show you how you can make the Pixar effect, which is very popular in the last week with your photos. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make various tutorials, always to make it easier for you. So guys, here on the channel there are already more artificial intelligence videos. So you want to learn more? Do you have doubts about some subjects? I'm going to leave now on the card a playlist that you might like a lot. And in this video I show you a great website for you to make the Pixar effect with your photos. So come on guys, I'll leave here in the description the direct link for you to make your effect here on CRT.ai. So in the link in the description there will already be the effect here from Disney Pixar for you to insert your photo. So just click on the link in the description and click create. Then you will come to that part of the site for you to insert your photo. So the first thing guys is to see here if the model settings are like the Disney Pixar cartoon. Very important. So if you have already selected the Disney model here, you're going to go down this side menu and you're going to click down here to send to IMG to IMG. It's going to click, and this time you select your photo from your computer. Now you can drag your photo or click here and select your photo on your computer. So I've already selected the photo, and down here guys, it's very important that you change this part and put this prompt to get the three-dimensional Pixar Disney style movie poster effect. Down here you can put more settings to make your photo even better. What do you mean, Leo? Be as specific as possible to generate your image, for example, high quality image. Then just click on that button to generate your image. If you didn't like these images, you can generate new images by putting a more detailed prompt down here in your case. The more detailed, guys, the better. Then you're going to choose the photo you liked when you generated it. It's going to right-click, save the image as, put in the name and click down here to save. If you have any questions, just put them below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it at that. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, guys.